Shout out to the homie Jason, forging this Wild Oyster Mushrooms. Stay tuned, about to do some real shit with this one. Peace. Damn. Alright, Homecooks. What's going on? So today, the homie Jason, shout out to the homie Jason, came through with some of these dope forged oyster mushrooms. So, got them rinsed down. I'm gonna do a couple things with them, but I think the first thing we're gonna do is wipe them down. So, got them rinsed. Try to remove all the little extras in there. Put a picture up so you can see how big this thing was. So, what I'm thinking is, first application, we're gonna cut something up to do a soup, but first we're gonna cut something up to fry them up. So, I'm gonna go about this size right here. They're pretty meaty too, actually. Very meaty. So, how we're gonna treat it though is real gently. Just gonna make sure so much water in them joints. Alright. Now there's a lot of medicinal qualities in these things too, so you know, make sure you don't toss nothing away. You can use it for stock or soup or something. Alright. Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna coat these things with some cornstarch. Season first. Fill with some black pepper. Salt. And that's also gonna help bring out the rest of that water in there. Let's go with some paprika. A little thyme also. Okay. Now, we'll go with some cornstarch first. Okay. Now, get all that mixed there around. Make sure everything is coated properly. And what you want to do from there, add some Panko. Alright, now that you add the Panko, we're going to re-season. I don't want a crazy hard fry on. Just want them to be nice and nice and light. Alright, now maybe just like that. Put it in the refrigerator for a second. Alright, Homecooks, we'll see how this goes. First time doing this, so let's check it out. You know, it's got a lot of water content, so we don't know how that's going to react with the oil. Do one at a time, just to make sure it's calm enough to put a few in. Let's hope that the cornstarch helps absorb a lot of that oil. A lot of that water, I mean. Cheers. Little IPA today. Alright, let's see here. Looking good, actually. Let's see if we can get them golden brown and delicious or something. Might have to switch pots. Oh, looking good. Looking good. Oh, yeah, proper. Oh, this is wild though. Wild oyster mushrooms. It's crazy. I would think if you had some forage mushrooms, you probably need to let them things cook for like 10, 12 minutes, depending on how you're cooking them. Now we know how we're going to cook them. We're going to put 3 in the pan, be able to get them done a little faster. Alright, things been going for about 5 minutes. Got them crispy on both sides, so you're gonna pull it out. You wanna make sure again that they are well done. Go ahead and add a couple more. Too many will cool your grease down, though. I got the little working with the little bitty pan, so. Alright, so we'll reconvene once they all get done. Alright, Homecooks, pulling out the last of them. GBD, they good old golden brown and delicious. I'm gonna lay that there. Let that thing, break that up. Add a little salt to them. You know what I'm saying? Alright, cut your fire off, dog. That off the heat. Now, got a little, this is a avocado, lime, crema, and habanero sauce. Check that out. So, thing look like a nice little chicken thing. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's meaty. That's crazy meaty. Sounds pretty good. That should come out the forest, though. It's awesome. Hey, appreciate you, Jay. Shout out to the homie Jason. All right, Homecooks. That crunch is mean, ain't it? All right, Homecooks. Here these a go. Y'all be good.